So first up, we have someone doing the big chop. Looks like she put conditioner on her hair, and then she proceeded to cut it. Hello everyone, welcome back to the Style News Network. If you're new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we're going to be checking out some DIY haircuts and big chop hair transformations. So we didn't get to see the results of the first girl, but the conditioner all over her head was just to kind of get like that slippage. So this person is also doing the big chop. And obviously she doesn't have the conditioner on her hair, but it looks like she did wet her hair first in order to see that line of demarcation. And that's of course what you want to do if you are big chopping your hair. So I'm guessing she probably had heat damage and she wanted to go back to natural. Very cute. Love the way she styled it with the two little pigtails at the top. So then we have someone big chopping as well. Looks like she is going to be cutting off her dreadlocks. So she's obviously very emotional with doing it. I don't know, I kind of feel like if you're this emotional, why cut your hair? Like, you're obviously very much so attached to it, but there's just so many different elements when it comes to the reasons of why you want to cut your hair. And as you guys already know, if you follow this channel, I did big chop myself. Oh, she looks amazing. Go ahead, girl. She can rock the shaving trend. She looks so pretty. So we have someone just pretty much cutting their ends for this one. So she has long, thick hair. This video is actually reminding me that I need to trim my ends. So she's doing the wolf cut with this one. Looks like she cut off maybe like 2 inches. So now she is cutting curly bangs. So she's pretty much just cutting her ends too with this. So this is what I do to cut my ends too. I also blow my hair out because that really helps you to see what your hair looks like versus in its natural state. So it looks like she cut off like about 2 inches or so as well. So it looks like she is going to be cutting her hair and coloring it. She did kind of like a reddish brown color. Ooh, she cut a lot of hair. She pretty much did a big chop. And if you guys do want to see more big chop videos, I do have some on this channel, so definitely be sure to check them out. And of course, don't forget to like this video if you feel inspired by any of the hairstyles or just ladies big chopping. Oh, I wish we could have got a longer look at the end. She looked hot. So next up, someone is using, this is a wackadoodle thing you can get off of Amazon. And honestly, you can get a good haircut from this, but I would much rather just cut my hair without it. I don't know. I mean, it's a great option if you want to do like a blunt cut and you're not good at cutting your ends. But it's one of those things where it's like, okay, what would they think of next? I mean, she is getting a bomb cutting from it though. And she cut some layers. Okay. I actually might have to look into this. Alright you guys, I hope you enjoyed checking out this video. If you did, please be sure to give it a like, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.